In the past, color displays for our Arduino and electronics projects have been pretty expensive. Today I'm going to share the 1.44-inch unit that I've been using with the Adafruit libraries that works just fantastic at a budget price. These little displays can be found at a lot of different sources. It's a 1.44-inch 128 by 128 color TFT display that runs on SPI. SPI stands for Serial Peripheral Interface. You can find lots of information online about this. The good news is, to use these, we don't need to understand how it works whatsoever. We can just program the code, use the existing libraries, and put it into our project. As usual, I've copied everything into one GitHub repository. This makes it easy for me to share these projects as well and go back and find the information to start a new one. Even the wiring schematics are labeled here. Wiring up the displays is super easy. You can do this in a breadboard, or you can do this on some perf board, whatever you decide. These are the wiring schematics for the units that I'm using. I found some different ones out there that led me astray, but these ones work. Get everything plugged in. Next up, we'll go ahead and program the code. This episode brought to you in part by PCBWay. Check them out at the link below for your next electronics project. They offer competitive rates for all PCBs, parts, and assembly, as well as 24/7 tracking of your order from start to finish. To make the display work, we need some prerequisites. We need the Adafruit libraries, which you can see included here. You can install them using the library manager. You can go and Google them and install them manually, or you can even pull the backups I have right in my repository. Then upload your Arduino. Easy. The different examples do different things. This is the overall Adafruit demo that does different line draws and circle draws, triangle draws, logos, all kinds of neat stuff. You can reverse engineer the code, just read through it. It's plain English, and then you can sort of make your own system as you need for your project. I also included this bar grapher code that I found. This is really handy. You can use this as a battery gauge or a fuel gauge or just about anything you desire. Pretty cool. Dig right into the code, take a read through it, and it'll make sense to you. It's not as hard as what you might think. This is how the easiest way I found to learn Arduino is to just look at the examples, particularly from Adafruit. Lady Ada and others have done such a good job at making things really easy for us to understand and use. I also included an example that just does an analog read of a pin and displays the values out. A counter as well. The counter is pretty straightforward, but might be handy for making another project too. I also went ahead and adapted my Nokia 5110 LCD scope code. You might have seen this on the channel years ago, where I just use an input on the Arduino to act like a DIY oscilloscope. It works pretty good, but I do have some issues with the redraw causing the flashing. I've run into this overall in some different codes that I'm doing. I should make some time to work on that. Overall, I found this to be the best bang for the buck for a color display. I wish it was I2C, but I'm okay with the SPI. It just takes a couple more pins, no issues. If you use this code or use these examples, go ahead and post a comment down below. Click a thumbs up on this video. Truly appreciate it, guys. It helps the channel a lot. Look forward to lots more tutorials and builds coming up on the channel. Let me know down below what you would like to see as well. Good luck in all your projects.